Now, it might not be a well-known fact, but a lot of professional investors actually utilize what's called a core satellite approach when they manage their own money. So I'm going to break down exactly what the core satellite approach is to investing and why you should think about using it. Before I get started, why should you listen to me? Well, I'm Tim from Tim Talks Money, and I worked in private wealth and asset management for over 15 years in both Hong Kong and Singapore. So if you want to know BS take on investing and how to grow sustainable wealth, then give me a follow here. So the core satellite strategy of investing is basically referring to having a large core that consists of low-cost passive investments such as ETFs, and then having satellite investments where you're taking a bit more risk and you're actively managing them. If we were to think of this like food, I would say the core is really things like noodles and rice and meat, the things you really need to survive and to keep growing. Whereas if you're thinking about your satellite portion of your portfolio, it would be things that are garnishing your dishes and making it more exciting to have. So your core portfolio is basically something you must have, and that tends to make up at least 60 to 80% of any investor's portfolio. The satellite part of it, on the other hand, that can make up anywhere from 20% to 40% or even nothing. A lot of people just have a core portfolio and do great. If you want to learn more about how to grow that core part of your portfolio, then I've just launched an Investing Made Simple course where I cover everything from why we should be investing into tax-efficient ETFs in Singapore to the psychology behind investing and which investing platforms offer us the best value for our money. If you want to learn more, just check out the captions below. So there you have it, a quick explanation of the core satellite approach to investing that a lot of professional investors actually utilize in their own portfolios. Remember, before we start owning stocks, we should have a really strong core from which to grow our wealth off. For more personal finance and investing tips, do give me a follow here or subscribe to my free weekly newsletter at timtalksmoney.com.